Mother, you're going to lecture us on what they call animals in Igbo language. Are you ready?
Bring it on.
All right. What do you call tiger in Igbo language?
Ago.
What do you call lion in Igbo language?
Odum.
What do you call leopard in Igbo language?
Agowuru.
What do you call ostrich in Igbo language?
Enyinnono.
Porcupine.
Ebiogu.
What do you call monkey in Igbo language?
Enwe.
What do you call baboon in Igbo language?
Adaka.
What do you call python in Igbo language?
Ekeoba.
Okay. What do you call pigeon in Igbo language?
Pigeon. Nduri.
What do you call horse in Igbo language?
Enyinya.
What do you call eagle in Igbo language?
Ugo.
What about hawk?
Ebe.
What do you call civet in Igbo language?
Ediabale.
What do you call goose in Igbo language?
Ogazi.
What do you call giraffe in Igbo language?
Giraffe. Ụfọdụ ndị si na ọ bụ atụ. Ụfọdụ ndị si na ọ bụ